Best website hosting service in USA. Looking for a web hosting service that's reliable, fast, and secure for your website? We have tried the best options out there. You have made a conscious decision to build an online presence after a period of planning and maybe even a hint of procrastination. But where do you begin? Choosing the best web hosting provider is a great place to start, which does not have to be an overly time consuming task. A whole bunch of questions might be buzzing around your head. Do you need shared hosting or some other type? Might you best be served by a simple website builder? How much storage do you really require? What about an SSL certificate? As of May 2021, we have reviewed and are continuously reviewing more than 160 web hosting providers, a number that includes best website builders as well as static site generators and landing page creators. So, in short, we know what stuff the absolute top website hosting companies are made of. No one has reviewed more web hosting providers than us online. We have provided detailed summaries for each web hosting provider and highlighted their respective strengths and features, things that may be important for your choice, plus information on pricing and why each particular web host may be ideal for you. Best web hosting services in 2021. One, Bluehost is the best overall web hosting service while the competition is cutthroat. Bluehost continues to impress in almost every aspect, delivering the complete package of speed, security, versatility, and most important, super reliability for just $2.75 per month. Host Getter Surprise with the best shared hosting service. HostGator has surprised us with an exclusive order that delivers some of the best shared hosting features we have seen for every long time, with a slew of free buys like domain names and SSL certificate and marketing money only for 2.43 per month. Hosting Hostinger has the best cloud hosting services. Cloud hosting is a new buzzing category, and Hostinger is top of the list with the advanced solution. The cheapest plan provides unlimited bandwidth hosting for up to 30 websites and up to 100 email accounts per domain, plus a plethora of other features. It's keenly prices as well at $9.99 per month. One, Bluehost web hosting web best web hosting overall. Reason to buy: unmatched bandwidth, free site migration, free domain, 24 per hour, multiple 7 us base support. Reason to avoid: average is constant. Taking top spot in our web hosting provider leaderboard in Bluehost, the Utah based company is almost 2 decades old and is owned by web giant Newfold Digital, powering over 2 million websites globally. In offer basic shared hosting from 2.75 monthly on a 3-year contract with WordPress plans starting at $20 per month, although that's also a discounted introductory rate. For the money to get automated setup for WordPress, not to mention other popular apps via Mojo Marketplace powered system. There also a cPanel based area to allow expert user to tweak things. Furthermore, Bluehost provides a Weebly based website builder. This is a basic browser based affair that lets you create a website of up to 6 pages, and there are no extras like site templates included, but still it's better than nothing, and more functionality is in pipeline place. Plus you get this builder with the basic account. There's also good customer thought on offer, a free site migration tool, and the end result is a mix of user friendly aspect alongside a good amount of power and potential tweaking for more advanced users. A cheapest Bluehost share plan, $2.75, 65% off. A fantastic bargain for each reader. Bluehost has cut the price of its share plan regularly $7.95 down to a mere $2.75 per month for the first term only, up to 4 years. You get $175 in offers, 24/7 expert support plus a free domain and site builder and 30-day money back guarantee. HostGator, best shared web hosting. Searching for your perfect shared web hosting match? Have a look at this service. Today's best deal. HostGator Hatchling plan $2.64. Reason to buy. Unmatched bandwidth, unmatched disk space 200, search credit 45-day money back guarantee. Reason to avoid. Limited VPS dedicated service configuration options. Also part of new full feature, HostGator delivers an impressive range of hosting services ranging from domains to dedicated servers at very competitive prices and backed by a 99.9% uptime guarantee. This applies as much to their specialist hosting as any of their other hosting sections options. HashScatter offers three specific shared hosting plans, starting with the HashLink subscription, which comes with unmatched bandwidth, free WordPress cPanel website transfer, a free PC SSL certificate. The allocations and generous and should easily accommodate the requirements of a single domain. An upgrade from that, if required, is the baby plan, which delivers the same list of features but for unlimited domains. That is, you can host as many websites as you want. $2.95 per month. For more demanding sites that don't yet require their own server, you get OPT for the business plan, which comes with its own dedicated IP, a free upgrade to Positive SSL, and a set of free SEO tools. Additional benefits include a 45-day money back guarantee, not to mention free transfer for new accounts within the first month after you have signed up. There's lots to like her considering the minimal impact on your wallet. If you are happy